Okay. Many Anioma citizens are scared that the present political atmosphere clouding the southeast will affect Anioma if it's created. You know, the IPOB sit at home stuff, the eventualities that is happening in the southeast. So how do you think Anioma will be protected from that eventualities?
These are very interesting questions, and I know a lot of people want to run away from such questions. Don't want to create a tension or see a way you provoke some people on this other side. Well, see, the truth be told, ndị Igbo si na oke nọ n'ụlọ
Gwara oke nọ n'ama na azụ
na azụ na ngịga.
Okay.
Exactly. If my daughter got pregnant from a wayward person, it's not the problem of the wayward man. It's my own problem as a father not to train my child well.
Yes.
I hope you understand my problem.
Yes.
So it is apparently a mentality in Nigeria that we blame the Yahoo boy. We don't blame ourselves if we are being duped. So I go to market, I buy a fake phone. I will blame the seller. I don't blame myself.
You don't blame yourself for not being so observant, though.
So if you are an Anioma person and thinking that the Southeasterners or IPOB is their problem, no, you have not known the problem. You are the problem. Because I can categorically tell you that for any Anambra person with an IPOB, because when we are talking IPOB, they are not the bad person. We are talking of these kind of people that picks arm, they call on
unknown gunmen.
So we have to define it. If any of them should cross over to Anioma, stay in our jungle and start carrying activities, now our son bring and come.
Yes.
It's not because the person is an Anambra come and claim saying
yes.
Anytime. So we have to first of all ask ourselves questions.
Who are the people that is bringing those people into our land?
Who's our son that is going to do that? Are we trained? Have we trained our children alone not to take money and bring them to our jungle?
Okay.
So these are the it's not about accusing people. Have you taken responsible of the actions of your decisions? IPOB will not come. Remember, Anioma Asaba himself honored Biafran heroes on 30th of May.
Yes, they did.
We did sit at home. And as I'm talking to you, Ebonyi is a southeast state, but they are not observing.
They are not part of the
Biafran struggle. So the state governor and the people can decide how it has to go. Because we are a new state, if we are created, we don't need to do sit at home to what our economic growth. As a new state, we need to grow fast.
Very fast.
To meet up with the
other states.
So, but it's not the problem of IPOB or non-government. It's the problem of us. So if you are afraid, it is you.
Yes.
It is you, not him. That's why they always say, Igbo people are looking for land to grab. They want to call it Biafra. Igbo man has never claimed Ebonyi state. Igbo state have not claimed Abia. Abia have not even claimed Anambra. You understand me? So nobody will cross and start claiming money only Anambra, but no. We know saying chabofu, but only get claimed. So that should not be a thing of a fear. It is we, the Anioma, will decide. And if it happens, it's not the problem of the person outside. Okay, no, no.
But okay, no, nama.
That's the Nangega.
Yeah.
So
yes. So I think everything that is happening in the southeast, there is someone that is solely behind it.
Exactly.
You understand? It can't just happen. So if those unknown government wants to end today, I believe that there are places that
what you're saying is even what I want to say, because who said that the agitation will not even end tomorrow?
Okay.
Why are you afraid of what will happen? What if by the creation of Anioma State, the agitation of IPOB ends? You see why I talk of fear? What has not happened is stolen man joy. They've not even started. You don't agree. That's why we don't take risks in this country. That's why the politicians are taking advantage of us. We start fighting. No, I don't want to. It could happen like this. The politician will withdraw. What's supposed to put money on your table, you take it away. Asking na go gbanye oge make obula ogaranya. Asking Igbo gbanye kiama bro kwa no nwe ya na agwa. That thing that tell him is not because he's going to kill human being. The fear What will people say? How will they see us? They will drag a land. Which land have they dragging from you? Is it not behind us in the same delta that's not our own our well?
Oh,
But we're not talking about the people.
they are not talking about
The one will never happen.
the IPOB.
The one will never happen. Now will they fear? But the one will they happen will never even fear them.
Oh.
My sister, let's go on, Joe.
Your answers are quite optimistic, a ray of hope to the fallen. Now that the bill has been presented, what's the next line of action?
It's called political lobbying. The English word is not bribery. It's called lobbying. Every player in the game understands it. Lobbying, interest, what will be my own interest for me to support the bill? That is what is obtainable now. So I'm a member of a social group. We call it Indian Asobia Social Cultural Organization, registered. We are, of course, every Igbo man that says Igbo, whether they deny or not, they deny, speaks the Igbo language called Bia.
Yeah.
So we formed a group, and we are the one pushing this narrative of Anioma State to be created. So me and my team are already negotiating, lobbying. Let me use the political term, lobbying. We're already lobbying now, so that by the time the bill comes to the floor of the Senate, it will be a thick good. So this is what we are doing now. Day before yesterday, 3 days ago, we are in the National Assembly with my team, meeting the Southeast senators, submitting letters, meeting the Igbo leaders like the Ohanes and Igbo and the Igbo King. And so we are trying to make sure that not like they are not aware, but let them know that we the youth,
we are interested.
We are interested.
We want it.
Yeah, exactly. So that is what they call lobbying, giving them reason. Let them see the true picture. Let them see that the youth are yearning for it. We want it. Let them not look at it from the political or the selfish interest.
Yes.
So this is what we are doing now, and this is what is on the table now. So I won't tell you the details of how far we have gone, but I can assure you that the needful is being done. We also need for sponsors, because the movement, they wait the hand.
We understand.
So even I will not call it bribery. In a jifu you get one bottle of wine.
I'm telling you, all of these things are
money. And I travel.
Yes.
So these people came all the way, we lot for days, do so many things. Me, I'm traveling tomorrow to Asaba again for another meeting. So it's back and forth. And we have not even started, because there will be a time we'll start canvassing for the whole Igbo in Anioma place.
Yes.
They will need to tell the kings so that the time for referendum they will vote.
Yeah.
They have to see reasons. So, but small, we are doing it. We are pushing it. And this is what we do behind the screen.
Exactly. Behind the scene. Most of you don't know. We are really canvassing for Anioma State. Anioma or?
Nothing.
Okay, that's beautiful. So leave some words for those who are against Anioma State.
Of course, you cannot have. In fact, I will even be surprised that they say that Anioma State everybody supported it. It's not possible. Even within me, there's an enemy, the worm.
The worm is the parasite.
It's a parasite. It's sitting on me. No matter what I eat, spend 1 million to drink a champagne. By the time the worm swallow it, I will still feel hungry and thirsty again. So we understand an opposition point of view. We understand, and it's not the ability to create enmity. You understand me? But we are telling you that Anioma State is a win-win. Let me give you an example. There are going to be more than 10,000 civil servant job creation.
Exactly.
If Anioma State is created.
Yes.
And in the other side of it, it's going to be the same thing to the Wados, the Urobos, if we are cut out from Delta. Now we are shouting unemployment in Delta. It will cut down immediately.
Yeah, it will cut down.
So if 10,000 in Delta then and 10,000 in Anioma, don't you see that some people have gotten a job? There have been infrastructure. you have the ability to start all over again. You cannot build from scratch.
Development.
So
please,
if you are, I don't know, you need to see it in the positive light.
positive light.
We are not saying everything is going to go 100% smoothly, but we are assured that 70 to 80% is going to be to the beneficiary of everybody. So it's a win-win situation.
It's a win-win for all, both for the Urhobos and the Shekiris,
Exactly.
and the Asabas.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand? You know, if they create Anioma now, the Urhobo and the Shekiris, their capital will be Warri.
Yes.
So they are.
And some of them are even agitating already.
They are agitating.
Saying, why did they put capital in Asaba?
Yes, they were saying it now. They said it was Miriam Babangida's wife because she was from
So
Asaba.
have your capital now, have your crude oil to yourself.
To yourself.
We are not even going to share from it as Delta State. Why would you it? So it's a win-win situation.
Nice.
There are those two, you have the ability, job creation. You have ability, start all over again. You have your place to govern. You know, people don't understand that the reason for state creation is for administrative purpose.
It's for administrative purpose.
It's not for tribal reason.
It's not tribalism.
Even though we know that Anioma is going to equal the balance of the southeast, but it's not. It's for people to have a way of having a good administration, look over themselves, and build that thing you are seeing in Lagos in your doorstep.
Yes.
So you have opportunity to do that, and you are against it. I don't know, but I pray that with this video, some of them will start seeing
They'll start seeing the positive side.
The positive side
exactly.
of it.